JPMorgan Chase has reached a settlement in a class action lawsuit with victims of financier Jeffrey Epstein.
Now, you may know JPMorgan Chase is one of the largest banks in U.S. history, but just recently they became a defendant in a over $100 million lawsuit with all the victims from the Jeffrey Epstein case. Victims of the convicted sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein sued JPMorgan. They say the bank facilitated and helped and aided his alleged crime. Due to this, JPMorgan recently agreed to pay $290 million to Epstein's victim. This happened after CEO Jamie Dimon faced some tough questioning. A brave woman, Jane Doe, anonymous, sued JPMorgan, stating Epstein abused her and others, and that he used his accounts at JPMorgan to pay them. The lawsuit aimed to bring justice to many victims that have been unheard for decades. JPMorgan agreed to the settlement without admitting any wrongdoing. However, they believe the settlement benefits the survivor who suffered unimaginable abuse. The lawyer representing the victims, David Boies, is happy with the outcome, he says. He stated that the settlement proves that the bank's wrongdoings admittedly, and that it's a victory for the survivors and for legal justice. However, JPMorgan still faces other lawsuits. The U.S. Virgin Islands government is also accusing the bank of enabling all of Epstein's crimes. And in an interesting plot twist, JPMorgan is suing his former executive, Just Staley, accusing him of lying about Epstein. Staley's lawyers deny these claims, which sets the stage for a significant legal battle that's coming in the next several months. It's worth noting that JPMorgan is not the only bank involved. Deutsche Bank also recently paid over $75 million to Epstein's victims. Now, these banks are being held accountable. However, most of the questions are still out about their actions and responsibilities. As the story unfolds, we must reflect on the harm inflicted upon Epstein's victims. Consider the consequences for those who have assisted him. Truth is coming out, reminding us to shed light on society's darkest corners. Today is a day for social remorse, the survivors, and for legal justice. Stay tuned for updates and follow for more information.